Before I start, always, always, always make sure it's unloaded. Check it once, check it twice. I'm a freak about that stuff. I check it 3 times. Make sure it's unloaded. Hey everybody, so what we're gonna do here today is I have the brand Osprey Global red dot laser sight for my Glock 21. This is a 45 auto, and we're just gonna install it. Now, what I want you to know is I bought one of these for my wife's handgun too, which is a Walther PDP. So this should fit any gun that has a wide rail on the bottom, okay? So what I want you to see what this comes with is, here's the actual red dot. You can buy them red or green. It comes with 3 batteries, which I've already put in here. Now, note to self, I'll say it again later. When you put these 3 batteries in here, the one closest to the dot goes in upside down. Don't put it in there right side up, because you'll think your laser sight doesn't work, and that's not the case. Comes with the pressure switch, the strap down, and then the 2 Allen wrenches, of course, but I'm not putting a pressure switch on mine. I don't need that kind of stuff going on here. All I need to do is be able to click it and have a red dot and go on. So we got our sight here. You have a hex nut on this side. Just loosen it up enough that, if you can see here, this is where you can see the hex bolt here, the hex nut here, the hex screw is going to snap into here. So don't try to fix it way up here on the front. You got to kind of slide it back in. And what I do is I put it to the left, then to the right, and then I'm going to slide it back there, and you can hear it just clicked in. Okay, so right there is where it needs to be. By the way, always, always, always make sure you're unloaded. I've checked this thing 3 times. I always get super sketched about that, but then you're just going to take this nut, hex nut, and you're going to tighten it down. Now, don't crank down on this thing. You don't want to strip it out. It is unloaded, by the way. So just like that, just to snug. That's all I'm going to do. These on both sides, I'm left-handed, so I'm going to be like this. So this is my control. You can see my sights on. You can set it to flash, and you can set it off, okay? So since I'm the curse of the left-handed guy, the buttons are right there, again, on, flash, and off. So it's pretty simple, and they were 45 bucks a piece. So this one going on mine, and this one gonna go on my wife's 9mm. So there we have it. One more time, always make sure it's unloaded. Hope this helped you. If it did, if you give it a thumbs up. See you on the next video.